Okay, I just finished an assembly for Leon's engine, the smoke assembly. As you can see, I have a 7 volts coming in DC to the smoke board, and I've put in a rectifier just to temporarily set this up. I got about 3 volts going to the fan. It's got a little noise, but I just first time together, so I'll check it. But I'm just showing you, smoke is coming out, and if I turn up the voltage, I want more smoke, I can say I can go up to 8 probably. We'll get more smoke. And if I turn up the speed, it'll come out faster to boot. So that's the idea. There you go. More speed, more smoke. Now, if we were doing chuff, it would be intermittent, right? But this is the way I test my smoke assemblies after this is all brand new. New motor, new fan, new board, new chips, new wiring, new sensors, everything. And what I need to do is a test for heat, temperature, and voltage, and I want to watch for a voltage variation as it gets hotter and colder. And I want to make sure that the volts cut down if it gets too hot. That's one of the tests I'll go through. I'll do that tomorrow. Right now, I just wanted to make sure the circuit's working and everything's hunky-dunky. So, there it is, Leon. Brand new smoke. Puff and chuff assembly. Needs the magnets. And I got new armature, new DC fields for you. This was experimental. And then I'm going to do the ball bearings. Probably do the ball bearings tomorrow is what I'd like to do. Make sure I have that figured out and ready to go. All right, gang, we'll talk. Have a good one. Gotta run.